Hey, what's up? Javon here, and today I'm making hot chocolate. What's in my pantry? Okay, I really don't know how this is gonna go. What I do is kind of, I find stuff around the house that I have that maybe I think will go together. So this is kind of what this is. So I've never made this before, but we'll see. I think this stuff will go good together. I think, whatever. Before I started the camera, I just kind of put some stuff together in little bowls here.
What's in my pantry?
Cocoa, sugar, salts, vanilla, extract or essence. And then I have a cinnamon stick that I use for making, what did I make? Some kind of Mexican dish. Anyway, and some milk. So, I have my burner here. That is a hot flame. So, put your pot on there. Oh wait, I have my ronin-s doing track motion, but I forgot about it. So that's 2, 1. Put some milk. So, or it's already too hot. So how much milk? I think I had like a 1.5 cups left. I know, it seems weird. This is a cinnamon bark, basically. Cinnamon stick. Like it's really milder than a cinnamon stick. Where's the packaging? Here, I'll show you the packaging. So pop that in the milk. So it's this. Oh, gotta go to camera 1. So
What's in my pantry?
this.
What's in my pantry?
Tampico cinnamon sticks. These are used in the Mexican dishes and other such dishes. I guarantee this product to be the freshest and finest quality or your money will be refunded! Exclamation point. Jorge Martinez. Go back to this cam. All right, and at this point, let's give it a good stir. You don't want to like boil it or anything. You want to just get it warm. So now we can put in
What's in my pantry?
some of these ingredients. I have equal parts cocoa and sugar. I used a dark chocolate cocoa, but so that's just gonna look different, taste a little different. But I mean, it's preference. You can use regular cocoa if you want, or cocoa. Cocoa. There's an A at the end. So equal pounds. I think I put a tablespoon and a half each. So just pop that in there. Vanilla extract, about a teaspoon. And in everything really, anything sweet, you gotta put a little like pinch of salt. That just kind of, it's like the secret thing, it just adds flavor.
Ooh, flavor. Ooh, flavor.
I have ground nutmeg and I'm like, I think that might be good with it. So just a very little sprinkling of ground nutmeg. Okay. I didn't have an angle of me pouring this stuff in. It looks pretty gross here. So give that a good mix. Just a little while, just to kind of let these flavors, let the milk evaporate a little bit, get a little thicker. Yeah, man. I mean, of course you could just make hot chocolate without nutmeg and cinnamon. You know, just make a regular old hot chocolate. Fine by you. Okay, so I'm starting to boil here. I'm just gonna turn off the heat completely just to avoid overcooking my chocolate. Chocolate. Wow, I don't even know how I'm gonna pour this out. I guess I can. This could be horrible, man, I don't know. I mean, it smells kind of nutty. And I guess that's because I might have put too much nutmeg. Maybe I should try it without nutmeg. You know, today Will Smith is jumping out of a helicopter. So I'm gonna be watching that. And it's not like I planned like, oh, I'm making hot chocolate because Will Smith, hot chocolate. Like, why did you think that? No, it's just coincidental, okay? I am a big fan of Will Smith though. I've watched every single one of his movies. And when I used to live I grew up in a third world country. Yeah, don't cry. So when I moved to America and that culture shock that I had, one of the first shows I watched with my uncle was the Fresh Prince of Bel-Air. And I was like, wow, this guy is crazy. So yeah, me and my uncle used to watch that. He actually tuned in, if it wasn't for him tuning in to watch the Fresh Prince of Bel-Air on its premiere night, I probably would never have watched it. So that actually changed my life into who I am today. So yeah, thanks Will Smith. It's really dark because of the dark chocolate that I used. All right, so that's just about done. I'm gonna go get a mug and pop it in there. Okay, so I wanna show you my Ember mug. You might have seen this in every single video. Well, most videos I've done. This is the only mug I'll ever wanna use these days. It's a temperature controlled mug, so it actually keeps my coffee warm, or any drink really in it. Tea, coffee, blah, blah, blah. So yeah, this Ember mug here keeps temperature warm. Like, it's such an odd feeling too when you drink coffee out of this and then like an hour later or 30 minutes later and the sip is still just as hot as you want it. It keeps it at a perfect temperature. So I think coffee, I drink it around 130 or something around there. Celsius? No, Fahrenheit. Celsius too hot. So you want to discard the cinnamon. You don't need this anymore. And let's see how well this does. Oh yeah, that's easy to pour. The lip is rounded off to the edge. I think that's what makes water easy to pour, or liquid, I should say. Liquid, I should say. The only problem I do have with this mug, it's not really a problem, it's kind of, it is a problem. The inside gets stained. So like, I drink coffee out of it every day and wash it every day, but still stains on the inside. Maybe they should have colored it brown on the inside or something. Okay, so yeah, that's that. So let's taste this bad boy. It's probably too hot. Well, you know what? Let me show you. I can change the temperature, or I can choose the temperature I want from the app. This right now shows that it's at 159 degrees. So that's because I had it on this. So it should start to cool down. And you can choose, oops, see here. You can either just scroll left or right, which you want, what temperature you want. Well, no, I closed it. So whatever, so you can choose whatever temperature you want, or you can go down to the bottom here, this arrow, and swipe up a little bit. Don't swipe home like an iPhone 10, because that's what I just did. And I have presets here for coffee, tea, and latte. And you know what, I want my milk that same temperature as latte. So, yeah, you know, a latte basically is just hot chocolate. Or yeah, well, let's say a mocha latte is basically just hot chocolate with some espresso in it. Oh, I could do that. I don't want to seem all elitist with my espresso though. You know what I could do is, I have a espresso powder that I use to make brownies with. Let me get that. Let's say you don't have an espresso machine, but you do like espresso. All right, so here, this is espresso powder.
What's in my pantry?
I did the boing 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 thing with the, you know, the door stopper. You probably can't hear it anyway. It's a funny sound. Espresso powder, let's say you do like espresso, but you don't have an espresso machine. Or maybe you bake stuff that tastes like coffee, because you need this to bake coffee flavored baked pastry stuff. And well, anyway, so well, maybe I should taste it first before I add any of this. All right, so we're at the perfect temperature now at 126, and let's just give it a taste. And I'm gonna be honest with you, if it tastes good, I'll say it tastes good. If it doesn't taste good, I'll tell you too. Here we go. Okay, it tastes good. But if you're looking for like a traditional chocolate, like if someone said, hey, you want some hot chocolate, and they just gave you this and you drank it, you'd be like, ugh. Because it's not a traditional tasting hot chocolate. I mean, there's freaking nutmeg and cinnamon in it. It would taste kind of like a Thanksgiving hot chocolate. Ooh, I should retitle this to Thanksgiving hot chocolate on Thanksgiving and release it again on Thanksgiving Day. Watch me actually do that. It's really good though. Maybe the cinnamon flavor is too strong. If you use maybe a ground cinnamon, be nice and cleaner. Let me try it now with the espresso powder. Let's make a espresso out of this bad boy. Let's record this. So let's just pop in a couple. I think 2 is all right. Now let's taste the espresso hot chocolate with cinnamon and nutmeg. Ooh, much better. Much more richer flavor. Again, like a Thanksgiving hot chocolate. I think I'm onto something here. Well, that's that. That was delicious. Maybe a little less nutmeg. It's a little bit strong on the nutmeg flavor. So just use like less than what I used. How much is that? What I use, but less. So yeah, now I'm gonna go review this Anker wireless charging thing. I don't know if you like this video or not. Hopefully it was informative, because it does taste good. Try it out. Let me know what you think it tastes like when you do try it out. Or maybe your little variation of the recipes, because that's just what I had in my pantry. So I don't know. For my spice rack.
What's in my spice rack?
Pantry spice rack. You know what I mean. You get it. So yeah, gonna go review this right now, right over here, and then watch Will Smith jump out of a helicopter. So thanks for hanging out, and make sure you subscribe, because I don't know why you should subscribe. Why should you subscribe? This is gonna be the amazing. Why should you subscribe? Because this is gonna be the most amazing channel you've ever seen. Once I turn this light on, what the hell? I gotta turn that light on. This is gonna be a really good channel. Once I get my life together here, this is really hard. I don't know if you see this. My ronin-s. Did I talk about that? My ronin-s has why am I talking about this at the end of the video? This is so. If anything, just subscribe to give me some motivation to get my life together here. Oh my God. So here at the end of this video, you could probably see it moving around. Yeah, so you can see the camera moving around. That's the ronin-s, and I haven't reviewed that or anything. I just don't feel like it. I feel like there's just so many reviews out there already on this. Maybe I will. I did figure out a couple of things that I like when I first got it. I'm like, what the hell? How the hell does this thing work? So again, what did I say? Like this thing, comment me. Don't say I'm stupid. Nah, go ahead. You can say I'm stupid. It's fine. I can take it. It'd be kind of fun too. But add something other than like you're stupid. Yeah, I don't know why I'm asking for this. Oh yeah, I'm gonna go review this, and I'll see you in that video. So thanks for hanging out. Peace.